Hey YouTube family, Paul Phillips here, Paul Phillips Fix. Today I'm working on a 02 Mercedes E320. What's happening is sometimes I'm getting excessive cranking on here. These are known to either have the cam sensor, which is located on the passenger side on a left-hand drive vehicle. Cam sensor is right there. They have been known to go bad. And the crank position sensor, which is located way down here. I'm going to see if I can squeeze you down here. See where I'm going? Right down on the bell housing. Move this wire out of the way and you might be able to see it. Stick the camera right in here. I'm trying, guys. If I move this wire out of the way, you may be able to see it. See it right down in there? Right on the bell housing, my hand's in the way. Right down in there. Right down there on the bell housing is the crank position sensor. It's more of a job feeling that. It's a E8 Torx to get that out of there. What I did is I stuck a really strong magnet on my socket here so I can have that bolt stick to it. I don't want to lose that bolt down in there because you can't really see what you're doing. It's more feeling what you're doing than seeing it. Let me see if I can get this on here. I don't fit in here that easy. Praying to God I do not lose this bolt. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm not gonna waste your time with a bunch of boring video of me struggling to get this. It's just finessing it, getting it on there, and getting it out. So I'm gonna pause this. Okay, that's a small bolt, very small bolt that holds that in. That magnet trick worked, or I probably would have lost that down in there. So if you have a little strong magnet, put it on your socket. The Bosch number for this, I got the OE replacement, is 0261 210 170. That's 0261 210 170. Very simple replacement, with the exception of getting that little bolt out of there. But this is the cam position sensor. Slipped right out. I'm going to compare it to the new one. Make sure it's exact. I heard that there were different plugs. Mine is a 2 plug. You might want to pull your plug and check what size plug you have. Yep, that's the right part. Well, that's replacing a cam position sensor on a Mercedes-Benz, guys. I hope this was useful for you. I'm gonna film the cam. I don't see many replacements of that done on YouTube, so I don't know if this helped anybody at all. I hope it did, but that's doing it. Have a good day, guys. Please give a like and subscribe, and hopefully I can give you some information that benefits you. All right, help my channel grow, guys. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Little trouble lining that small bolt up. What I did is I just set the sensor in, then I got a punch, and I went through my sensor and aligned it with the screw hole. And I used that little trick with the magnet, and I didn't lose that bolt. I'm on grass, and I have the under panels on the car. I would have had to jack the car up, pull the panels out. It would have been a real pain in the ass if I dropped that screw. You know how that goes. They don't drop where you can get them usually. They wind up disappearing on you. Oh, that one would have went in the gravel or the grass. Yeah, that wouldn't have been good. But this worked out a lot better. Hopefully that's a little tidbit information for you, because you can't really visually see what you're doing down there. I reached over from the front of the car and did it. That's the best position I found to put it in. and I was able to get a little leverage to snug it up. Don't over tighten that too much. That's not a huge bolt. All right. Okay. Bye bye.